In many places, it is impossible to avoid digging on slopes. Try to find the best position for the undercarriage, somewhere where it is less steep. If you're unable to find such a position, then you need to prepare the ground with the digging equipment. Failure to do this could cause damage to the engine due to a lack of oil pressure and lubrication. Should moving material be necessary, try to avoid slewing uphill. If it is absolutely necessary, then do not overfill the bucket, because this will slow down the slewing speed dramatically and force the slewing transmission to the maximum. If the material is heavy, it will be felt in the slewing speed, and therefore the bucket should be filled less. Again, overloading the bucket and slowing uphill is not a combination that is recommended. Moving material from above downwards is of course much easier for the excavator, but do not forget that you must have full control. If the bucket is filled to the maximum and you start slewing downhill at full speed, the slew retardation time will be much longer and could result in damage. We recommend that you fill the bucket to half and slew with lower engine revolutions and slewing speed downhill. When you feel you have full control, then you can slightly increase the speed. In this case, the operator has the opportunity of making the ground completely horizontal. It takes some time, but it is well worth it. If you first spend some time on the preparation work when on a slope, you will very quickly make up that lost time. The operator is now able to fill the bucket 100% and slew both to the right and left, as the situation demands. In other words, at maximum production.